At USC Kaufman, we do have a two-stage audition process. There's the online submission portfolio and then the live audition. And what this does is it allows us to really get to know each applicant quite well before they walk in the room. It's about 2 weeks that we take to review all of the application portfolios online. The entire faculty reviews every single submission, then the committee comes to an agreement on who we're going to invite to the live audition.
With your one-page resume, we do provide a template, and it's really important that you follow that template. So we want to be able to really see those bulleted ideas, what your professional experience is, what your performance experience is, if you have any kind of special interests. We really want to know what types of work you've been doing.
When you're putting together your resume for your Kaufman audition, think about what are the most significant moments in your career thus far. We're not looking at it to determine whether or not you're going to get an audition, but it gives us context for what you're presenting to us.
At USC Kaufman, we don't get the chance to see the common application, so the writing sample is really important, not only to kind of see how students are thinking about themselves as artists, but also a chance to see if they've done their research on the school. It gives us a sense of where students stand with their writing abilities, not only about expressing themselves as people and artists, but also to see if they have common understanding of grammar, syntax, vocabulary.
The written short answer is really important for us because it allows us to get a sense of how you're thinking about issues that are really critical to us here at Kaufman. We do really want to get a sense of how you articulate yourself and what is important to you based on the nature of the prompt that we devise.
My tip for the video response is to not over-rehearse yourself, to really be authentic and in the moment. And whatever you do, do not read from a piece of paper. It's much better just to be kind of off the cuff and perfectly yourself.
I think it's great to hear a little bit about you personally and not just a stock answer or what you think we want to hear, but connect your response to the question to something from your personal life and make it real for you.
When you send your audition videos for Kaufman, we're asking you to send contrasting solos. And what we mean by that is not necessarily contrasting styles or genres, but that could be contrasting movement ideas or qualities within the movement. If you are a choreographer, please show us your own choreography. We'd love to hear your individualized voices and really understand what perspective you're coming from.
Make sure that they double check, what they're going to send. Be confident that that's the video you want to show that best highlights you. It's not so much about they had a professional camera or not, but the clarity of their movement.
We're always able to understand the applicants in a deeper way and to be able to discuss individuals as a whole or a dancer versus a scholar. So we want to incorporate the whole person in the process.